how to upload PDF to Facebook group, or how to upload any type of file on Facebook group. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can upload PDF file on Facebook group. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up the Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner here, and then tap on the groups option and head into your groups. Now head into your groups and you want to head into the group that you want to upload the file to. Now I'll just open up this group here, 101 Confessions, and then what you want to do is here, at the top of the profile you can see various options: view, photos, events, files. Tap on the option files here, and once you tap on option files you'll get the option add file there. Simply tap on add file option and here you can see you'll be able to add files. Now you can add sample PDF here. You can say I've downloaded. You can add PDF files, or you can add the XLSX file or the PPTX file as well, PowerPoint presentation as well. Any kind of file that you want to upload, you can upload it here. I'll just choose the sample PDF file, and then you can see it's uploading, and once it's uploaded it'll be uploaded here. So this way you can upload PDF to Facebook group. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.